Good morning, everybody. As you know, I run a very successful multi-million-dollar artificial intelligence trading software company. That's a big responsibility. I also have a family life. I've got a wife and two daughters, that's my pride and joy. And I'm a successful trader and investor. Now, the secret to balancing all of this is that I never watch the markets during the day, and I never spend more than 15 minutes a day doing my analysis. A lot of people would love to be able to do that, but they don't know how. Well, today I'm going to show you how I'm able to do this so quickly, so successfully, and I'm going to teach you how you can do it as well. So let's flip over to my charts. Okay, as you can see right now, it is 8:18 a.m. and I'm going to run through this real quick for you and show you how simple this process really can be. So what we're going to do is I'm going to create my IntelliScan. I'm going to add all of the U.S. stocks that VantagePoint forecasts for. I'm going to throw all the Canadian stocks in there as well because they trade just like U.S. stocks. Very easy to incorporate. A lot of people don't know that. As well as the ETFs because I use them for diversity and I use them for confirmation. So I've got quite a few markets in here. Now here's what I do. And if you look over at the right side, there are many different things that we can filter for. I'm going to add close price. I just drag and drop. I'm going to add volume. And I've already got several predictive indicators in here. So you can see all of these right here are all predictive indicators that I'm going to be filtering and really narrowing down just the stocks that meet my personal criteria that I want to trade and make money in. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to just run through this for you and show you how easy this is. I'm looking for uptrends. So I'm going to change everything that I'm looking for to be forecasting to the upside. So what this means is if there's anything that's being forecasted to the downside, I'm eliminating it from my scan. Now what you'll notice as I'm going through and doing this is I started off with 1,242 stocks. I'm now down to 273. I'm going to whittle it down even further from there. So just watch that. So let's change this also to up. I want my predicted range also to be up. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look for stocks that are less than or equal to $25 a share. And I'm looking for volume that is greater than or equal to 2 million shares per day. All right, so look what's happened now. I started off with 1,242 stocks. I'm down to 15. How long did that take me? It is now 8:20 a.m., so that was 2 minutes ago that we started looking at the screen here. So now I've got 15 stocks that I can consider, and I can filter this down even further, but I just wanted to show you how quick and easy I could go from literally over 1,000 stocks down to just a small handful, and that is exactly what I like to do each morning. Now let me show you one of my scans that I like and show you actually some stocks that I'm watching. Let me go ahead and open up my Lane's positions, and so you can save these IntelliScans, so it's not something you have to go and recreate every day. I have this saved. So here's one that I've been watching. This is a tremendous forecast from VantagePoint. It's just been really fantastic, very profitable move. So if you look at from the point that VantagePoint forecasted, which was right here, when the blue line crossed above the black line, and this is through close of business yesterday, you can see that in 40 trading days, this stock has gone up over 30%. Now this is not an overly expensive stock. Very easily could have bought a nice number of shares, easily recoup the cost of the software. And all I did was I scanned for this cross, I scanned for the neural index going from red to green when I see my double confirmation and my other predictive indicators confirming. That tells me time to go make some money. So that's how easy it is. Easily recoup the cost of the software in a single trade just by looking at these predictive indicators and waiting for these setups. Now, as you know, today is August 29th. It is the end of the month. We are working very hard to hit our milestone so we can make an even bigger donation to the Shriners Hospitals for Children. I hope that you'll help us to do that by coming on board as a customer in the next couple of days. And we're going to make it really easy for you to do so. We're going to offer you some tremendous savings and value and discounts. It's going to be a win-win situation. You're going to get the tools you need to consistently profit in the markets. We're going to hit our milestones so that we can make a bigger donation for Shriners and we all win. Does that sound good? All right, I look forward to seeing you on the other side.